Hello, how to evaluate with a calculator? This is 81 power 4 minus 81 power 3. So I can have 81 power, this is 4, I can express it as 3 plus 1 minus 81 power 3. Now, if you have a power n plus n, this equals a power n times a to the power of n. So I apply this identity here. I will have 81 power 3 times 81 power 1 minus 81 power 3. I can factor out 81 power 3. I divide this by this. I'm going to have 81 minus 81 power 3 divides 81 power 3. I have 1. So what I'm going to have here is 81 power 3 times 80. It's 81 power 3 times 80. So remember, 81 equals 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. That means 81 equals 3 power 4. So what I'm going to do will be, I replace this here with 3 to the power of 4 raised to the power of 3 times 80. Now, if you have a power n raised to the power of n equals a power n times n. So applying this identity here, I'll simply have 3 to the power of 4 times 3. This is 12 times 80. Then I can express this 12 here as summation of 10 and 2. I have 3 power 10 plus 2 times 80. And if you have a power n plus n equals a power n times a power n. So we have 3 power 10 times 3 power 2 times 80. So remember, we need to find the value of 3 power 10, which is just like 3 to the power of 5 times 2 times 3 to the power of 2 is 9 times 80. Now, if you have a power n times n equals a power n or to the power of n. So what I'm going to do will be, I'll have 3 to the power of 5 or power 2 times 9 times 80. Now, I need to find the value of 3 power 5, which is 243. I have 243 raised to the power of 2 times 9 times 80. So we need to find the value of 243's power 2. This equals 243 times 243. Three times 2, 9, 3 times 4, 12, 2 carry over 1, 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7, 4 times 3, 2, 12 carry over 1, 4 times 4, 16 plus 1, 17 carry over 1, 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, 9. Then 2 times 3, 6, 2 times 4, 8, 2 times 2, 4. We add up. This is 9, 4. This is 20, 0 carry over 2, 19, 9 carry over 1. This is 5, 94, 9. So we simply have 594, 9 times 9 times 80. Let's multiply this out. 594, 9 times 9. 9 times 9, 81. 1 carry over 8. 9 times 4, 36 plus 8. 44, 4 carry over 4. 9 times 0, 0, 0 plus 4, we have 4. 9 times 9, 81. 1 carry over 8. 9 times 5, 45 plus 8. That is 53. So you have 531,441 times 80. We have 531,441 times 80. So let's multiply this out to have our final answer. What I'm going to do will be to rewrite it this way. 0 times 1, 0, 0 times 4, 0, 0 times 4, 0, 0 times 1, 0, 0 times 3, 0, 0 times 5, 0. Then I proceed to 8. 8 times 1, 8, 8 times 4, 32, 2 over 3. 8 times 4 again, 32 plus 3, 35, 5 over 3. 8 times 1, 8 plus 3, 11, 1 over 1. 8 times 3, 24 plus 1, 25, 5 over 2. 8 times 5, 40 plus 2, 42. 0, 8, 2, 5, 1, 5, 42. All right, so this is it. This is our answer for 3 to the power of, or 8 to the power of, which is 81 to the power of 4 minus 81 to the power of 3. Then this was this question. 42,515,280. And we have achieved this with our calculator. It's the same thing as writing 3 power of 4 raised to the power of 4 minus 3 power of 3 raised to the power of 3. This will still give you 42515,280. And if you multiply this exponent, you still have 3 power 16 minus 3 power 9 equals 42515,280. So guys, this is it. This is how you solve it step by step with your calculator. Thank you and goodbye.